We're going to show an error that may occur while you're using the HP OfficeJet Pro 9120 printer series. So let's start up HP Smart. We'll print a photo. We'll select this photo. We'll print an A4 size photo. Go to Next. Let's print. When attempting to print, you will see this error that the print is blocked and check printer. So if you see this error, you might want to try using Windows PC to print. Or for iOS and Mac user, try using AirPrint. Alternatively, you may want to upgrade your printer to the latest firmware.